how to get butterfly in Grow a Garden. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can get butterflies in Grow a Garden. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to obtain butterfly in Grow a Garden, I can suggest you two ways. The first is like grinding for it. Now the butterfly is a mythical pet introduced in the friendship update, right? In order to obtain it, the butterfly can be obtained from the anti-bee egg, which can be crafted at the cosmetic shops in 2 hours. For 1 bee egg plus 25 of this equals to 1 anti-bee egg. And alternatively, the butterfly used to be obtainable by purchasing the premium anti-bee egg for 149 Robux. Otherwise, what you can do is you can also actually go to this website called shopbloxes.com. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box. Go to the search bar and simply search for butterfly, and you'll see if the butterfly pet is still in stock, and if it is still in stock, then you'll be able to purchase them as well. So these are the ways on how you can get a butterfly in Grow a Garden. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.